Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, Instagram marketing strategies for 2024. Effective Instagram marketing strategies for 2024 involve leveraging new features, staying current with trends, and focusing on authentic engagement. Here are some key strategies. 1. Embrace new features and updates. Reels. Continue to use Instagram Reels for short, engaging videos. Focus on creative, informative, or entertaining content. Instagram Stories. Use stories for behind-the-scenes content, quick updates, and interactive polls and Q&A sessions. Shoppable posts. Utilize Instagram's shopping features to make it easy for users to purchase directly from your posts. 2. Focus on authentic content. User-generated content (UGC). Encourage followers to create content related to your brand. Share their posts to build community and trust. Behind the scenes. Show the human side of your brand with behind-the-scenes content, highlighting your team, processes, or work environment. Authentic storytelling. Share real stories and experiences to build a deeper connection with your audience. 3. Engage with your audience. Interactive content. Use polls, quizzes, and question stickers in stories to engage your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Actively engage with your followers by responding to their comments and direct messages. Live streams. Host live Q&A sessions, product launches, or webinars to interact in real time. 4. Leverage influencer partnerships. Micro-influencers. Collaborate with micro-influencers who have a loyal and engaged following in your niche. Authentic partnerships. Focus on genuine partnerships where influencers truly believe in your brand and products. 5. Utilize data and analytics. Track performance. Regularly review Instagram insights to understand what content resonates with your audience. Adjust strategies. Use data to refine your content strategy, posting times, and engagement techniques. 6. Run effective ad campaigns. Targeted ad. Use Instagram's advanced targeting options to reach your specific audience. Creative ads. Design visually appealing ads that align with your brand's aesthetic and message. A/B testing. Test different creatives and formats to see what works best. 7. Highlight social causes and values. Social responsibility. Showcase your brand's commitment to social and environmental causes. Community engagement. Participate in or sponsor community events and share your involvement on Instagram. 8. Optimize your profile, bio, and links. Ensure your bio is clear and includes a call to action. Use link in bio tools to direct followers to various destinations. Highlights. Organize your stories highlights to showcase important aspects of your brand, like products, testimonials, and FAQs. 9. Consistency is key. Posting schedule. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Brand aesthetic. Ensure all your posts align with your brand's visual and tonal identity. 10. Collaborate with other brands. Cross promotions. Partner with complementary brands for joint campaigns or giveaways. Shared content. Co-create content that benefits both audiences and expands your reach. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your Instagram presence and drive meaningful engagement and growth in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.